With the peak of the murrelet survey season complete, I started my journey north to wander with my surveyor friend once more. First stop, one of the many beautiful lakes near Oregon's coastal shores. The Oregon forest is a land of growth where life springs forth at every opportunity. A dance between green and blue. And in places, the green dances proudly alone.
Man, do I love the glows on those trees there. Just absolutely love that just super vivid, almost fluorescent green and the contrast with those deep shadows. Absolutely gorgeous. Love the sun kind of filtering through that.
Softly, nature calls this way. From the lake, north to a mystery trail.
On a pretty surprisingly developed trail for my adventures at a state park called Oswald West, and have absolutely no idea whatsoever about the park, what it is, what's there, what's in store. So without too much more talking, I'm just gonna go do some adventure and see what's out there.
Despite the developed ground, the rainforest here still has its near mystical allure. Titanic old-growth trees stand watch over memories of forests past. Glowing leaves say, as with your feet, so too your mind. Wander this way. Rainforest secrets made clear. As the trail nears its end, you are met by the Oregon Pacific shores. Compared to the chaos of the forest, there's a brutal simplicity in the beauty here. Everything around you answers to the waves. A small pool hints of more violent tides. To me, these rocky shores are a place to see yourself plain. Two worlds meeting in a place of wonder. The next day, the sun rose, and I, bootlessly met with Kaylee once more.
All right, well, this is the final Kaylee adventure of the season. She is right here, and we are about to climb a mountain called Saddle Mountain by Seaside in Oregon, kind of on the way to Portland. And because all adventures have the word "ad" in them rather than just ventures, I forgot my boots. So I'm going to be climbing a mountain with a practically flattened set of shoes with absolutely no traction on them whatsoever, and large seams on the edges that have been split open. So I will be happy if I still have footwear by the time this journey is done. So without further ado, let's go climb up Saddle Mountain and have some fun times ahead.
As much as I love wandering alone, sharing this world's wonders with a friend is something I treasure further still. And today's treasure was a mountain. Mountains, more than most of nature's features, speak to me in a profound way. They're a place that forces honesty within. Come and listen to my stories. Step by step, clarity is found above. Way is up. Just past an ancient volcanic boulder, the summit was close at hand. The paradox of mountains is that the views that matter most are those into the self. What did I see on the mountain? The precocious child who always knew the wonder of nature has found a way to share its beauty. And with that, my viewers, may you continue to wander these paths in wonder with me. And as for you, Kaylee, until we meet again, thank you.